Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 49. If in a closed economy the value of the marginal propensity to consume MPC is 0.6, what is the multiplier? Option A 2.4, B 2.5, C 2.6, D 2.9, E 4.2. So what we are looking to calculate here is the multiplier from marginal propensity to consume, and the concept of marginal propensity to consume describes consumer behavior with respect to their income. So this is what marginal propensity to consume describes. Now, in order to calculate multiplier from MPC, the formula for doing that is 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. So the MPC in this case is 0.6, so we insert that into our formula. Multiplier equals to 1 divided by open brackets 1 minus 0.6. So what that gives us is 1 divided by 0.4. Of course, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So 1 divided by 0.4 is equal to 2.5. So 2.5 is option B, and option B is the answer to this question, which is the multiplier. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.